Welcome to my channel. How to restore a missing printer in Device Manager on Windows 11. Step 1. Restart your computer. Sometimes a simple restart can help Windows detect the printer again. Save your work and restart your PC before trying other fixes. Step 2. Check the printer connection. Make sure the USB cable is securely connected. If you're using a wireless printer, confirm that it is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your computer. Step 3. Turn the printer off and on. Power off the printer, wait about 30 seconds, and turn it back on. This refreshes the connection between the printer and Windows. Step 4. Open Device Manager. Press Windows X and select Device Manager from the menu. Look for your printer under Printers, Print Queues, or Other Devices. Step 5. Show Hidden Devices. In Device Manager, click View and select Show Hidden Devices. Your printer may appear if it was previously installed but is currently disconnected. Step 6. Run the Windows Printer Troubleshooter. Go to Settings, System, Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters and run the Printer Troubleshooter. Windows may automatically find and fix the issue. Step 7. Scan for hardware changes. In Device Manager, click Action and then scan for hardware changes. Windows will search for connected devices and may restore the missing printer. Step 8. Update or reinstall printer drivers. Right-click your printer, if visible, and select Update Driver. If the printer is missing, download the latest driver from the manufacturer's website and install it. Step 9. Restart the Print Spooler service. Press Windows R, type services.msc, and press Enter. Find Print Spooler, right-click it, and select Restart. This can fix printer detection problems. Step 10. Add the printer again. Go to Settings, Bluetooth devices, printers, scanners and click Add Device. Follow the on-screen instructions to reinstall the printer. Thank you for watching.